Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Once again, warmly welcome in our lecture series of grade 9 of National Book Foundation. We are going to start the new question of exercise 8.1. Okay, geometry of straight line. So, the question 13 is in front of us. So, we have to solve this question. Let's see the question. Three vertices of a rhombus. First of all, you should know the rhombus. Some students have a, a little problem that, a little confusion that they think that the square and a rhombus are same. Never, okay? Because rhombus also have all sides same, okay? So, but they don't have the angle 90 degree, okay? So the rhombus is like that, okay? But the angle is not the 90-degree here, okay? So the rhombus never be a square. So for your understanding, this question is important. R, A, B, and C. Find the fourth vertices. Okay. So these vertices are given. We have to find only one vertex, that is. Okay. So because for this, I want to just draw a diagram to make the question easy. Okay. So let me make like this. Okay. The rhombus is like that. Uh, if you see that, it's basically a rhombus. Okay. So let me make it more clear, uh, like this. Okay. So for this purpose, we have to write the name. Okay. So if you will not draw the diagram, no problem. Okay. But I just want to draw the diagram to make it more easy and more easy. Okay. So let me say that this A is 2 comma negative 1 and B 3 4. You can write the name as it is, A, B, and then C. So C is what here? Uh, negative 2 and 3. Negative 2 and 3. And D, we will let D, okay, I will write there XY. Okay, so let me write the solution. Okay, let the fourth vertex let the fourth vertex D xy, okay, with its coordinate xy. Okay, as I told that the distance between all these, the length of all these are same. Okay, so the diagonal here, this diagonal, okay, and this diagonal, the length of this diagonal and this diagonal must be same. Okay, because their side, if it is a rhombus, then its side must be same. Okay, then their diagonal must be same. Okay, so for this, as these two, the length of the diagonal is also same, so then I am going to find the midpoint here, D. Okay, this D, let me say this M. Okay, because D already used, so let me write the name of the diagonal is M. Okay, let's find this. So look, if I will find with the help of AC, I can find. If I will find in the help of with the help of BD, I can't find because this XY, I don't know about this. So we will use AC for the midpoint. Okay. Now find the midpoint AC, a midpoint M, okay, with coordinates with coordinates A, C, like this. Okay, so you know the midpoint formula is, okay, I will write here x1 plus x2 over 2 like this, and y1 plus y2 over 2. So no confusion should be there. So for this, as we are using AC, so 2 minus 2 like this, in between there is plus. So you can write like that over 2, and y1 plus y2 negative 1 and plus 3 over 2 like this. Then what it will be? That will be 2 plus negative 2, that will be 0 over 2. Okay, and that will be 2 by 2. So at the end, more simple, then we will get 0, 1. Okay, these are the coordinate of M. Okay, so let me write here 0, comma 1. Okay, so until here, I don't think so that any student confused. You can ask a question, okay, where you are confused, you feel any problem. Okay, now we are going to find the D, okay, the coordinates of D, X and Y. We know that M is also the midpoint of BD, okay, right here. M is also the midpoint of BD. If it is so, so what it will be? If I will write here m 0 comma 1, okay, you can write like this, or you can write like m xy. First of all, xy must be equal to, what must be equal to, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, like this. Okay, so what are the coordinates of m? That are 0 comma 1. So now BD, okay, we are using BD, x1 plus x2 over 2. So 3 plus x over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2, 4 plus y over 2. You can write any one of us, no problem. Here x plus 3 or 3 plus x, no matter. Okay, for this now what we have to do, okay, we have to do simple. If you see this, Mm, let me change now this x value, so that must be equal to the, this is overall x and this y. So now 0 will be equals to 3 plus x over 2 comma 1 is equals to 4 plus y over 2. So this 2 divide over here, so when it will come, it becomes 0, because 0 multiplied to 0, 3 plus x. Now transfer 3 on the other side, that got negative. So x equals negative 3. Now 2 will come here. So 2 ones are 2, 4 plus y, and then y will come over here. Then 2 minus, sorry, 4 will come over here, it got negative. So y, so negative 2 equals y, negative 2 equals y, or y equals negative 2. Okay, so x and y we got. So required right here, so required d xy equals to d, x is what, negative 3, and y is what, negative 2. So I hope you understand this question. In case of any problem, my dear student, you can ask me. In case of any problem, you can just write a comment section if you are feeling any problem. So in the next question you will find in the next lecture. Then that time, take care. Allah Hafiz.